When you're heading into harsh weather, rugged terrain, or unpredictable outdoor conditions, protecting your everyday carry gear becomes just as important as carrying it. In this video, we're revealing 10 weatherproof EDC organizers built to keep your tools, tech, and essentials secure, dry, and ready for action wherever your adventure takes you. From durable pouches and tactical organizers to rugged storage solutions designed for extreme environments, these picks combine smart organization with reliable protection, so your gear stays exactly where you need it, safe and mission-ready. Number 1. Morning rain, crowded train, laptop bag, overstuffed, cables tangled, you fumble, mutter, searching for chargers and tiny adapters, a stranger glances, you feel unprepared and flustered. Cut to pocket small olive pouch peeks confidently. This is the ALPAKA Admin Pouch Pro. Compact precision, lightweight at 0.2 pounds, fits effortlessly into pockets. Expanded 6.7 by 4.5 inches, holds small electronics, neatly open it, 7 interior pockets, cradle every cable, 2 elastic loops, secure tiny tools, pens, SIM cards, external zippered pocket houses, passport, cards, quick access notebooks, weatherproof AXO-grid 300D fabric, deflects rain, sun, abrasion, smooth water-resistant zippers, glide, paracord pulls, feel reassuring. You're commuting, juggling meetings. This pouch simplifies your rhythm. Clip it to bag, belt, or wear it neck ready. ALPAKA hub compatibility snaps on modular tools in seconds. Attach keychain, tactical clip, or pocket module for convenience. Travelers love how passports, cables, and power bricks organize. Tech enthusiasts appreciate neat cable loops, tidy USB pockets. You reach, retrieve, charger instantly. No frantic untangling. Rain starts, your gadgets stay dry, protected, and calm. Quality-tested construction means durability beyond daily wear and tear. Gift-ready design and rugged look make it perfect for men. A dedicated support team answers within 24 hours. Guaranteed urban explorer or daily commuter freedom to move hands-free. No more digging. Everything clicks into place immediately. Small but mighty. Refined organization, weather-resilient materials, modularity. You smile, stepping off the train with quiet confidence. ALPAKA Admin Pouch Pro, the everyday carry game changer. Order yours today. Streamline travel, commuting, and daily tech. Small pouch, big impact, organize life, carry with pride. Number 2. Hiking trip chaos. Tools rattling, soggy electronics, pockets overflowing everywhere. Rain started. My important gear soaked inside a flimsy pack. Lost small tools between layers. Wasted time searching endlessly. Camping morning. Crushed flashlight. Batteries leaking. Mood instantly ruined. DIY project halted. Screws vanished. Pockets messy. Frustration mounting fast. Tactical training day. Gear disorganized. Wasted minutes could cost. I needed a compact, protective organizer. Nothing on hand helped. Scrolled products late night. Discovered Magpul DAKA utility organizer ad. Thumbnail showed semi-rigid shell. My curiosity instantly triggered. Clicked fast. Read reviews praising durability, water resistance, practical internal pockets. Price reasonable. Specs matched every annoyance I'd been facing. Feature that hooked me. Semi-rigid shell protecting fragile essentials perfectly. Durable water-resistant fabric promised protection during wet, rugged adventures. Compact size with internal pockets solved my organizational nightmares. Heavy-duty construction felt premium when I held it first. Bought it same day, urgency crushed any second guessing. First use, loaded multi-tool, spare batteries, USB cable, compact torch, semi-rigid shell kept items safe from impact and crushing. Water resistance saved my electronics during sudden downpour on trail. Internal pockets organized everything. No more frantic rummaging mid-trip. Compact profile, fit inside backpack, glove box, and tactical vest, easily. Durability endured rough handling, still looked new after months' use. It transformed chaotic pockets into a tidy, mission-ready kit. Saved time, reduced stress, improved readiness across outdoor and DIY tasks. If you value gear protection, this pouch is a game changer. Fast shipping, solid build, practical pocket layout, no compromises found. Imagine reaching in calmly, locating tools instantly during crucial moments. Are you ready to ditch chaos and protect your essentials? Grab the Magpul DAKA now. Your preparedness depends on quick decisions. Act fast. Limited inventory means your next trip shouldn't risk chaos. Number 3. Tired of crumpled gear and wet essentials ruining your day? Backpack pockets collapse. Items crush. Important tools lost. Rain sneaks in. Electronics and documents get ruined. Camping? Range? Travel constant frustration with poorly protected gear? Meet the Magpul DAKA Utility Organizer. Large, semi-rigid case. Designed for outdoors, tactical pros, and frequent travelers. Semi-rigid shell resists crush and absorbs impact damage. Water-resistant construction keeps moisture out, reliably protecting contents. Compact, multi-purpose layout organizes and secures essentials neatly. Heavy-duty materials stand up to rough handling and use. Quick access zippers and internal pockets make retrieval effortless. Before, damp gloves crushed, batteries mixed, cords tangled. After, neat compartments, protected devices, items ready to go. At the range, optics, tools, and cleaning kits organized. On trail, first aid, snacks, and electronics safely stored. Traveling passports, chargers, cables, and small valuables secured. Large size holds bulkier items while remaining compact in packs. Elastic loops, mesh pockets, and dividers keep things in place. Reinforced seams and abrasion-resistant fabric extend product lifespan. Low-profile black finish fits tactical gear setups seamlessly. Lightweight, yet rugged, ideal for everyday carry and trips. Unlike flimsy pouches, DAKA combines protection, organization, and weather resistance. I've used it for months. Gear stays intact every time. Pack heavier items near the spine for balanced carry. Wipe clean, air dry, low maintenance, and dependable. Premium build without unnecessary bulk or complicated features. Replace messy, vulnerable pouches with a smarter storage solution. Magpul DAKA, Utility Organizer Protection, Organization, and Weather Resistance. Grab yours today and simplify how you carry essentials. Link in description, ready for your next adventure. Number 4. Tired of fumbling for tools in cramped, disorganized pockets? Missing essentials mid-hike or during quick field repairs? Bulky cases and loose items slow you down every day. Meet the 3V Gear Compact Pocket Organizer, built for order. Clamshell design opens fully for instant, full-access organization. MOLLE compatible with YKK Annex clips for secure attachment. Attach to belts, packs, vests, swap locations quickly. Rugged 600D water-resistant fabric protects gear in bad weather. Compact pocket fits EDC Essentials without adding bulk. Before, digging, lost items, wasted time, and frustration. After, quick access, everything organized, repairs done faster. Designed for EDC hobbyists, outdoor lovers, and tactical pros. Durable construction and smart layout keep your kit mission ready. Small detail, huge difference makes sense every outing. Order yours today. Stay ready, efficient, and organized. Number 5. Carry smarter, not bulkier. Meet the Maxpedition E.D.C. Organizer. Pocket-sized durability that turns everyday chaos into fast access. Heading into town, trail, or airport? This fits your routine. Slip it into your jeans pocket or day pack effortlessly. Gym bag, commuter seat, campsite essentials, stay organized instantly. Built from rugged nylon for years of reliable performance. Water-resistant weave sheds light, moisture, and daily wear. Compact 6 by 1 by 8 inch profile fits most pockets. Thin silhouette avoids bulk while maximizing storage capacity. Multiple compartments include zip pockets, elastic loops, and sleeves. Organize keys, multi-tools, cables, cards, small first aid, and pens. Thoughtful layout prevents items from tangling or getting lost. YKK zippers and reinforced stitching resist daily abrasion and strain. Sturdy webbing and bar tack reinforcement secure high-stress attachment points. Lightweight, yet tough, a durable companion without unnecessary weight. Quick access pockets put what you need within one hand. Interior elastic loops hold tools snugly during movement. Zipped sections protect small electronics and important documents securely. No more digging. Retrieval becomes fast, calm, and confident. Travel checklists shrink to essentials, carried neatly in one sleeve. Outdoor days mean lighter packs and organized survival tools. Everyday carry transforms from cluttered pockets to purposeful readiness. EDC fans, hikers, frequent flyers, this upgrades your kit. Minimalist profile meets tactical durability for practical, daily use. Available in classic black for discreet, versatile carry. Invest in organization that protects gear and saves time. Upgrade your carry today. Feel the difference immediately. Tap to buy the Maxpedition E.D.C. Pocket Organizer now. Compact, rugged, organized, make everyday readiness effortless. Carry less stress. Gain predictable access every single day. Number 6. Look at this bright orange pouch. EDC Game Changer. Feels compact, pops in pocket, watch how it disappears. Unboxing time. VIPERADE V10 in X-Pac Orange arrives today. Small pocket tool pouch with 10 organized compartments revealed. Materials feel rugged. X-Pac fabric resists weather and abrasion. Patch area on front lets you customize personality instantly. First impression. Surprisingly light but built like a brick. Now let's load gear. Multitool, pen, bits, small flashlight. 10 compartments keep everything separated. No tangled mess. Each pocket fits specific items. Easy to retrieve quickly. Top zipper glides smoothly. Solid YKK quality feel throughout. Compact footprint slides into jean or jacket pocket effortlessly. Stitching looks excellent. Seams reinforced for heavy use. I tested in rain. Water beads off X-Pac. Pouch opens wide flat. Visibility and access are fantastic. Velcro-backed patches stick well. Swap logos or morale patches. Organization means faster work. No fumbling for the right tool. Perfect for EDC fans, handymen, and outdoor enthusiasts. Size is ideal. Small but surprisingly spacious inside. Carry it daily. It organizes bits that usually vanish. One caution: bulky multi-tools may crowd multiple compartments. If you prefer minimalist carry, choose items carefully. Price feels fair for durable X-Pac construction and detail. Build quality and functionality beat cheaper nylon pouches. I've used this daily for 2 weeks straight. No fraying, no sagging, still holds shape perfectly after abuse. My recommendation: excellent pocket organizer for serious EDC users. Buy if you want tidy pockets and fast access. Skip if you rarely carry more than a single key. Tap the link below to grab yours in orange. Number 7. Meet the VIPERADE V12 Trifold EDC pouch. Compact, organized, tough. 3-panel trifold layout stores tools neatly. Grabs when you need. Keeps screwdrivers, multi-tools, and pens instantly accessible and visible. Overall dimensions fit pockets, packs, or belt loops without bulk. MOLLE-compatible strips lock onto packs and belts for hands-free carry. Mount securely like Velcro for your Gear Zero wobble. Durable, wear-resistant fabric stands up to daily and outdoor abuse. Reinforced stitching and robust zippers avoid embarrassing mid-hike failures. Lightweight, but tough, like a tiny armored valet. Multiple elastic loops and pockets keep items sorted, not rattling. Trifold design opens flat, everything visible in a single glance. Quick access saves seconds, which equals fewer frustrations outdoors. Capacity handles everyday essentials without being a bulky brick. Ideal for EDC enthusiasts who prize order and speed. Outdoor enthusiasts get weather-ready storage for small repair items. DIYers appreciate organized tools during quick fixes and projects. Simple trifold means faster setup than rummaging through backpacks. MOLLE compatibility makes it a modular piece for every loadout. Attached to belts, chest rigs, or external pack straps instantly. Black finish hides grime. Stays discreet during daily carry. Zippers glide smoothly under load. No more jammed tool access. Light packing weight preserves mobility for hiking or commuting. Organized by task. Electrical, repairs, and quick outdoor fixes separately. Built for daily use, not a weekend hobbyist's toy. Minimalist profile fits secondary pockets without hogging space. Cleaning is simple. Wipe down fabric and air dry. Great gift for organized friends who actually use tools. Confidently carry essentials, knowing each tool has its place. The E12's reliable construction earns repeated daily and outdoor use. Get the VIPERADE V12 compact organization that simply works. Number 8. Rain hammered the job site. My notes disappeared into mud. I needed something tough, waterproof, and instantly accessible. Enter BellaVitas Tactical MOLLE Pouch Compact Battle-Ready Organizer. It fit on my belt like it belonged there. Made from rugged 1000D nylon, water-resistant and tear-proof. Dual zippers and reinforced stitching survive the downpour easily. Inside, organized pockets, mesh sleeve, elastic loops for tools. It held my 3x5 waterproof notebook, snug and safe. The stone paper notebook refused to blur, even under rain. Pen wrote through water, smooth, reliable, all-weather ink. 2 US flag patches included. Low-profile morale and identification. MOLLE-compatible laser-cut panel and metal snaps attached to gear. I clipped it to my backpack. It never budged. Phone, multi-tool, spare batteries, everything had its place. Fits phones up to 6.7 inches, surprisingly roomy for essentials. Main zipper pocket, inner compartment, mesh pocket, kept order. On a cliffside survey, wind and spray couldn't ruin my notes. I pulled the BellaVitas out, pen poised, confidence returned. Durable, weatherproof, compact, it felt built for professionals, tradesmen, first responders, hikers. This became my daily essential. Lightweight enough for EDC, rugged enough for heavy-duty use. Size: 4.1 by 6.5 by 1.5 inches compact efficiency. Sold as a kit. Pouch, notebook, pen, and 2 patches. The paracord zipper pulls are small details that matter. Its drainage grommet and reinforced straps handled mud and grit. I recommended BellaVitas to teammates. They never looked back. Field notes stayed legible. Missions completed without second guessing. When reliability matters, you choose tools built to perform. This pouch turned chaotic days into organized, confident work. Grab BellaVitas now, secure your notes, secure your day. Number 9. Got range gear chaos? Here's a compact solution you'll love. Magpul DAKA pouch organizes tools like a pro on demand. Reason 1. Secure zippered closure keeps everything protected and accessible. No dust, no spills, just reliable protection at the range. Reason 2. Compact 6x9 size fits essentials without bulk. Toss it in your kit or range bag effortlessly. Reason 3. Tactical layout keeps tools sorted, ready fast. Elastic loops, pockets, and smart stitching for organized carry. Built tough with Magpul durability for real-world field use. Ideal for shooting enthusiasts who demand practical, fast access. Law enforcement pros appreciate the dependable, discreet profile. Outdoor lovers find it handy for tools, a first aid, and more. Small but roomy. 6x9 inches holds your essential items. Black tactical look stays low profile. And professional everywhere. Smooth zipper glides under gloves. Quick open when it counts. Lightweight construction won't weigh down your pack or vest. Stitching and materials stand up to heavy. Repeated field use. Perfect for range days, duty bags, hikes, and emergencies. Pro tip: assign 1 pouch for tools, 1 for meds. Labeling makes swaps fast between range trips and field missions. Trusted Magpul quality backed by a community of shooters. Compact size means it fits inside larger gear without fuss. Carry it handheld or stash inside your primary bag. Simple maintenance. Wipe clean, let air dry, ready again. Limited clutter, faster reloads, fewer lost tools on range. Every shooter's small win towards smarter, safer range routines. Ready to upgrade your kit? This pouch is a no-brainer. Tap the link, grab yours now before stocks run low. Follow me for honest gear reviews and practical range tips. Comment questions, tell me your setup, and share this video. Number 10. A rainy evening. Hands trembling. Tools scattered in despair. You needed something small, reliable, that felt like home. I remember losing a screwdriver on a mountain trail. Cold wind, fading light. My heart raced with worry. Then I found the VIPERADE VE27 EDC organizer. 6 pockets like 6 small promises of order. Each tool tucked in, safe and instantly reachable, zipper closed. Worries zipped away like a warm blanket. Compact, lightweight, it became my reassuring companion. EDC pockets hold pliers, blades, screwdrivers, and more. DIY nights no longer spiral into frantic searches. Outdoor trips feel lighter, knowing everything is organized. The layout guides your hands with gentle intention. Small zipper, big protection against rain and rough pockets. It keeps memories too. Tools tied to S. Tories, I fixed my son's toy by a campfire, smiling. A pouch that preserves moments, not just metal. Lightweight enough to forget, sturdy enough to trust. Quality stitching, thoughtful dividers, made with purpose, care. For makers who value order and fleeting peace. For hikers who prefer practical comfort and calm. For anyone who cherishes preparedness, like quiet kindness. This pouch becomes a silent promise you can hold. Open it, and tools greet you in patient order. No fumbling, no lost minutes, just steady progress and focus. It's more than gear. It's calm inside chaos. Pass it along, and stories travel with the tools. Gift a VE27. Give someone confidence on every journey. I recommend it with warmth. From one maker to another. Grab your VIPERADE VE27. Now carry calm everywhere. Those were our top 10 weatherproof EDC organizers, designed to protect your gear in extreme outdoor conditions. Whether you need compact everyday organization, tactical storage, or dependable weather resistance for outdoor adventures, each of these options offers a practical way to carry smarter and stay prepared. If you found a new favorite organizer or discovered ideas for upgrading your setup, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and share it with fellow EDC enthusiasts for more gear reviews, outdoor carry ideas, and everyday preparedness content.